So this is a trading review for Wednesday, the 10th of January, 2024. And I had a good day today. It was a bit nerve-wracking, especially because I got stopped out on my first entry to the penny within a few cents. And so today I was looking at Nvidia. Tesla hasn't really been making the best of moves and being in the best of ranges. So I decided to switch up to Nvidia, which was making all-time highs. And yesterday it had a very crazy run. And today we were opening inside value, pretty much. And we had rejected R3 in the pre-market. So I was looking to play the inside. Although I was a bit careful that we were very bullish on Nvidia. So I had that in mind. But today we were opening within the pivots, so I could use them for to play. And it was an inside day. We were respecting the pre-market, and we were very close to the top range of yesterday. So we could have possibly tested the all-time high again, which we did. And so Nvidia opened with a bit of an open test drive. My idea was to after seeing the reaction that happened 2-3 times at R3, I wanted to play it down for a short after testing previous day's value and maybe the top of the range or the pre-market high actually. So we pushed high with a lot of volume. And as we were pushing higher, I noticed that this was the last stack that we had, 540.41. So I made an entry short here, but the momentum of the stock simply stopped me out. But this was my plan, to enter short. And as you can see here, it just stopped me out by a few cents. So that was my first entry. And then it dropped. And then I realized, okay, we're back at value, but we rejected the 541. So I didn't see any more stacks to the top side at this moment. So I decided to enter short as high as possible here for a drop. And you can see here, that's exactly what I did. The 5 minute, obviously, from this we had this wick here. So this this market structure is one of normal day. At this moment, it was a normal day. So this area of resistance here was going to be my stop loss, or an area where I had to make an entry. And I really tried to hold to see what will be the best price to enter, or missed out on this opportunity. So I decided to enter here, and I partial tremendously. I'm very happy with my partials because I recovered the loss here and then some, ended the day at more than goal. And then we actually stop at the open price. So this could have been a nice price to enter. You can see here the hesitation to drop lower. So all of these could have been good opportunities to make an entry long, taking into consideration that this was somewhat of a normal day. But I decided to just end the day after this quick loss. And if I had made an entry long here, I could have gone for the retest of the high of day. And going even higher to all the way up to R4. But I'm happy with the plays I made today. Excellent trading. A bit unfortunate with that first stop loss. Had I made my entry a bit more to the top side, with more confidence as well, and place my stop loss here, it will have been a beautiful, beautiful entry. But being stopped out is part of the game. So yes, a much better preparation than yesterday. Much better execution. Pre-market prep executed plan flawlessly and respected stop loss and I'm very happy because on this stop loss, it was hard to calculate the risk size for Nvidia because it was so spready, but it resulted in a good trade, and it wasn't a very big loss. So now let's calculate here. So I got 4.5. 3.4. So that's 3.4 for the day, which is good. And the trades that we took today were traverses, more or less traverses. We executed. Yes, yes. Bearish, bearish. Loss and a win. Minus 1.1 and 4.4. A yes, plus win minus 1.1 and 4.4. Yes, that seems correct. And yeah, that's it for my trade review. Very good performance today. Very happy with my execution. I guess I just need to continue to extend that analysis and that uh, development, understanding to take advantage of the move to the top side as well that we missed out on Nvidia. Well, that's it for me today.